Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I am going to show how you can install and play Counter-Strike WarZone game in your Android with using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So without any wasting of time, let's get into the video. In this video, I am going to show how you can install and play Counter-Strike WarZone game in your Android using Exagear Windows Emulator application. In my previous video, I have already shown that how you can install Counter-Strike game, but that was the Counter-Strike Go 1.6 version, and this is the another version, Counter-Strike Go. This is the another version, Counter-Strike WarZone game. So this is the basically server game. It will not going to run offline, so make sure you have internet while playing this game. So basically the Counter-Strike WarZone game is server game. You are going to join a server and play with a lot of people, online people. So let's see how we can download, install and run Counter-Strike WarZone game in Android. So first of all, you have to download and install the application called Exagear Windows Emulator. So basically this is the emulator for Android, and there are a lot of videos on my channel that how you can run any PC software in Android using Exagear, and I have made a separate tutorial video on how you can download and install Exagear application, so you can check out my channel. And the second thing, you have to download the Counter-Strike setup file. So the download link in the description, and it will be a box approx 265 MB. Download link in the description. So first of all, you have to open the Exagear. So this is the Exagear. You have to click on the manage containers. So you have to click on the three dots and just click to run explorer. So if you are first time on my channel, so you can check out my previous video for understanding the Exagear. There are a lot of videos on my channel. So as you can see, this is the environment of the Exagear, and I am going to turn the Android phone, set up the camera and come back again. So as you can see in the screen, just now I have turned the Android phone, and this is the desktop environment of Windows emulator, Exagear Windows Emulator. So make sure after downloading the Counter-Strike setup file, you have to paste it in the download folder of your Android internal storage, because the Exagear will going to open the download folder as a D drive. So as you can see, this is the D drive, and as you can see, this is my download folder, and I can access all the files of my download folder here. So as you can see, there is a Counter-Strike setup file over here. So now you have to long press on it, just click to open. So as you can see, the installation process has been started. So it will going to click on the next. So it will telling me to at least 694.5 MB of free disk space is required. So means it will going to take about 600 MB of your internal storage. Make sure you have a good space in your internal storage. Just click to next, just click to yes. So just click to install. So here it will going to take some time, so I'm going to just skip this part and come back after it's fully installed. So as you can see in the screen, the Counter-Strike WarZone game has been successfully installed. It's been taken about 5 to 10 minutes to fully install the game. And here make sure you have to uncheck it, launch the Counter-Strike game, because after installing, I don't recommend you to directly launch the game. Just click to finish. So just minimize the. So as you can see at the screen, it will showing Counter-Strike game or icon appear here. So I'm going to open it from here, the start menu, programs. So as you can see here, the Counter-Strike WarZone. So just now I have opened the game. So at first it will saying updating. So at first it will going to take some time to open. I've checked. Make sure you are connected with the internet. It may be mobile data or Wi-Fi. I have connected with my Wi-Fi, as you can see in the screen, and the game is started, as you can see in the screen. So I've already told you it will going to take some time at first to start the game. So now here it will showing all the servers of the internet of the game. So I've already told you the Counter-Strike WarZone game is work on server. So it will, as you can see in the screen here, servers team. So this is the basically online game. It doesn't work with internet, so make sure you have connected with my with internet. I've connected with my internet, as you can see. Now here you have to find some server So it will telling all the details. Server, there are total 156 per servers at present. Game, Counter-Strike, everything, game name over here. So it will saying the players, 10 out of 9. So how much player it will require and how much player it full. So it is saying here map. So everything details over here. So you have to select any server to play any game. So I'm going to select the server, the second one I am selecting, and just click to connect. You can select any server, it's upon you. So it will saying establish network connection to server. So make sure you have a good internet connected with your mobile phone. Sometime the server lost before playing the game or opening the game. So here it will also take some time to open the game. So as you can see in the screen, it will taking some time to establish the server and get it will trying to get into the game. And at dawn it will saying the server is VSC secured, cheating will be result in a permanent ban. So this is basically PC game we are running in an Android using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So as you can see in the screen, we are in the game now. We have in the server game. So as you can hear the sound, the game is bit laggy. While using with the keyboard, I can play the game. As you can see, I try to bring another video. I've already shown a video on how you can install Counter-Strike Go, and this is the another Counter-Strike WarZone game. This is the fully server game. I'm just making a video on how you can install and play the game, but I try to bring a video on how you can play easily game, this WarZone game in your Android. So as you can see, the game is very playable, bit laggy, but can play. And as you can hear the voice is very clear. The sound is not laggy, but the video is little bit laggy, but can playable. As you can see, as you can see. So as you can see in the screen, the game is perfectly working and playable. I try to bring another video on another topic, how you can play lot of there are a lot of topics in my list, how you can play PC games. I try to bring on my channel. So as you can see, this is the Counter-Strike WarZone game perfectly working in Android. If you have a physical keyboard, it can play very easable. I try to bring a video on it. So as you can see, this is the Counter-Strike WarZone game perfectly working Android. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.